Hello guys, welcome back to the Arduino tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to control a regular LED using any IR remote you have at home. I'm going to control this LED using an AC remote, and it has a IR transmitter on top. And the cost excluding the Arduino board and breadboard is going to cost you around only 25 rupees, because the photodiode is such a cheap component. By using this, we are going to transmit the IR signals and then control the LED. So in the regular code structure, we will be replacing this LED with any electrical lamp that you have at home, and that is an additional benefit. So come, let's get started. So for this tutorial, I'm going to connect the photodiode. See, the photodiode has a positive terminal and a negative terminal, and we are going to reverse bias this photodiode, which means a positive voltage will be supplied to the negative terminal of this photodiode. I'm going to connect in such a way that the negative terminal comes on the left side and positive terminal comes on the right side. Take a 10 kilo ohm resistor and connect it to the positive terminal of photodiode. Connect the other end of resistor elsewhere. Take a connecting wire, connect the negative terminal of photodiode to positive pin on breadboard. And from the other terminal of resistor, we are going to connect it on negative terminal of breadboard. And from the pin number where we have connected both of our positive terminal of photodiode and the resistor needs to get connected to pin number 6 on Arduino board. You can connect it to any digital pin that is available. Or even some PWM pins. Now let's connect our LED. So I'm going to keep the LED's negative terminal on my left hand side and positive terminal on right hand side. Take a 220 ohm resistor or even any 1 kilo ohm. Connect it to the negative terminal of LED. And from there it must be connected to ground pin on breadboard. Connect the positive pin of LED to pin number 5. We can connect it to any digital pin we want. It doesn't need to be a PWM pin, because we are gonna either give high or low value to the LED. And then we are yet to connect the positive 5 volt supply and negative to the Arduino board and connect it to the breadboard. So connect a 5 volt supply to positive pin on breadboard and ground to negative pin on breadboard. That's it, we have completed the connection. Let's check out the output for this project. So for this project, I need to include one library to receive the IR signal from my IR remote. For that, you need to click on Sketch and select Include Library. and then select Manage Libraries. Wait for some time. It opens a new window called Library Manager. In that window, place your cursor inside Filter Your Search and then type in as IR Remote. You'll get one library called IR Remote by Sheriff Z3T0. Install that version. I've already installed it. And then go to Sketch, include library, and select the library you have added recently, which is IR Remote. So once you click on that, you can see to #include header files has been included, and I have declared the pin number on the first before void setup function, and then these two statements are being used to receive the IR value from the IR remote, and then that value is going to be in a hexadecimal format. I need to convert it into a decimal format, and for that I'm going to make use of this statement called decode results. And then inside void setup function I have started the serial monitor, and this particular statement called enable IR input will receive input from my IR remote and declaring the LED pin as output. And inside void loop function I have declared something like if the decoded IR received signal is equal to the value, which is a predefined value that I have calculated using my IR remote's frequency. So if it matches any button's frequency of my own IR remote, then I'm going to turn on my LED for 1 second. So this particular value is going to vary for each and every IR remote. Now if you need to control it with every single button in your IR remote, you may need to replace this photodiode using IR receiver component. I'm just going to check my output using a serial monitor. When I click on my serial monitor and then press any one of the button of my IR remote, you can see it is displaying a particular value, and for that value I have already given a statement called if my results value matches the value that I have provided with. Let's check out the output now. I'm going to switch on my IR remote, and you can see the LED is getting turned on. So I'll be attaching this particular Arduino code along with schematics in my description link. So please do try it on your own and post your comments. Thank you.